All right, you want to install a brake controller on your Nissan truck, so Titan or the Frontier. Nissan has this harness, little jumper harness that will allow you to plug directly into your factory wiring, and then you splice it into your aftermarket controller. So if you get a controller from whatever company you go with, there's tons out there, and it should come with a pigtail that plugs into the back. And then once you get that, you can splice this in, get this plugged into the truck, and you're golden. One of the things I was looking at one of these trucks, and one of the things I noticed is that if you push the e-brake in, it's going to get that thing out of the way. Your plug is up under the dash, and I want to show you that really quick. It's super easy to find.
Yes, sir.
All right, so right up under the dash. So if you're looking at your e-brake, it's going to be towards the outside of the vehicle. You're going to see a plug. It's that white plug right up there. You're just going to want to untape it and then plug in your harness and route it to wherever you have your controller set up.